What's going on, guys? We are back with another video, and today I'm gonna be installing and reviewing a product that I found to help make those long road trips a lot more comfortable, and that is these spacers for the front and passenger seats from Desert Does It. So basically it lifts the front of the seat a little bit, helping to reduce the pain if you ever get that pain in your lower back, as it helps support your legs. So I'm excited to install these and try them out, and I'm going to show you how to install them right now. Step one is we have to loosen the rear bolts. So we're going to slide this front seat all the way forward so we can access those bolts back there easily. There we go. I'll probably even angle a little bit so that way we even have more room. Once we move the seat all the way forward, you can see we have plenty of room in here to access these two bolts here, and that is a T50 that we're going to be using to just loosen. You're going to loosen about halfway out. You're not fully removing these bolts. It's just to have them loose. Once those bolts are loosened, as you can see there, they're sticking up a little bit. We're then going to go back to the front here, and now we need to move the seat all the way back so we can access the front bolts, which are also T50s, and these we will completely be removing. These guys right here, 1 and number 2 right there. So now that we've removed those 2 bolts, we're ready to install our spacers. As you can see, for the driver's side, there is 2 different sizes. For the passenger, it's both this same size. So the fatter spacer goes on the inside, so closer to the transmission tunnel here. As you can see, it's a fatter section here. And then the skinnier spacer goes on the outside, the closest one to the door. All right, so you can see how these work. So you can see they are tapered off at an angle, and so essentially they're adjustable. So you have your most aggressive angle here if you put it through this hole, and then obviously the further down you go, the less angled the seat is going to be. So if you don't like one setting, you can put it on multiple settings. So we're going to take these and slide them under here, and then with the bolts that they provide, these are the bolts that are going to replace these bolts. We're going to put some blue Loctite on there and torque them down to 35 foot-pounds. And that's what it looks like installed. As you can see, we got the hardware that's provided there. I have it right now on the most aggressive setting, and we got the blue Loctite on there, and now I'm just going to torque it down to 35 foot-pounds. And then also don't forget to tighten the rear also to 35 foot-pounds, because we did loosen those. And just like that, super easy install for these. If you're interested in them, link will be in the description. Took literally 10 minutes tops for both the driver and passenger side. The passenger side is the exact same process. The only difference is the spacer blocks are both the same size. You can put them on either side. It's not like the driver's side had one bigger spacer block that need to be on the transmission tunnel side. Now I'm going to be doing a review on these in about 2 weeks from when I'm filming this. We're going up to Idaho for a trip, and going to give my honest opinion and thoughts on them, because we'll be in the truck for about a 6-hour drive. So I'll see you guys in about 2 weeks. Alrighty, so the seat jackers have been installed in the truck now for about 2-3 weeks. I've kind of been testing them throughout smaller commutes and to and from trails, but I really wanted to put them to the test on the bigger trip that I'm currently on right now. We woke up around 8:30 this morning, hit trails for about 3-4 hours, and then have been on the road now for about 3 hours. And the night and day difference between not having any lower back pain is huge. I didn't think these were going to make that big of a difference, but they truly do. So if you go on any long road trips with your Colorado, these are a must. Make sure to go check them out in the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more awesome content like this, and we'll see you guys in the next video.